Bitcoin has closed the weekly candle green, and this weekly candle is out of this big falling wedge where we were trapped in for a couple of months. And this could be now the moment that we have waited for, that Bitcoin is finally making a move here back to the upside and has potentially bottomed out. And also about my new trade, we definitely have to talk about this. So if you think that's interesting, then definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So and now let's get here directly into the chart, and we have so much to talk about today. So first I want to show you what is happening here on the 1 hourly chart. So we can see that the Bitcoin price is moving away from the EMA ribbon and just keeps ripping higher and higher and higher. So and if we can now close this 1 hourly candle above this volume traded area at $22,400, then we could also see a really quick move all the way up to $23,200. So almost a $1,000 move here to the upside in a really short matter of time. This could actually be happening. But here is a problem. So every time that the Bitcoin price gets more and more further away from the EMA ribbon, the harder will be the dump back to the ribbon, because the Bitcoin price always comes back to the EMA ribbon to test this as support, especially after such a pump that we have seen here. So a retest of the ribbon is highly likely at some point, but it doesn't mean that Bitcoin cannot go on a rampage and just push here higher and then severely comes back down to test the ribbon wherever the ribbon would be like. So if we go now straight to 23K, so the ribbon could be by tomorrow morning in the 1 hourly chart here somewhere around $22,500, and we would only come then down to test the ribbon over here. So but when you look back, you see that after a pump the price always comes back to ribbon. So we just saw this also recently here from that area after this massive pump here, that the price came back into the ribbon, got supported here, moved up again, support, made another move to the upside. So something similar could be happening here, that the EMA ribbon is moving here higher and higher to match then the more or less sidewards upwards movement of the Bitcoin price until it touches the Bitcoin price again and then continues here into higher levels. So for everybody that has missed yesterday's trading opportunity that I was talking about, there is another chance, guys. So because I was also sleeping, I did not set a limit order, what I should have done. So I'm not in a trade, but a new trade opportunity is here looming for us, and that is when the Bitcoin price is breaking into this resistance area that we are seeing here right now from 22,392 all the way up to 22,759. Once we are entering here with a 4 hourly candle and closing a 4 hourly candle, let's say around $22,500, that will give us a nice new entry for a long position that we can take here, and then we will gradually scale out of the trade as we go here higher, because there's still a huge chance that we see something like this and come here down again, and then actually something like this. So, and for that I want to be prepared. I will, if I enter here a trade, gradually scaling out of my trading position. So once I enter at $22,500. And guys, don't forget, if you want to take this trade here with me together, then go over to BYBIT. There you still get $4,550 if you use here my specific link, and also on BitGet you still get $8,000 with 15% discount on the fees, also only with this specific link here after you have deposited some money into your account. So now let's get back here to the Bitcoin price. So you see here Bitcoin is attempting already for the last 6 hours, for the last 6 hours to get here into this resistance area. And I can tell you guys, if we get into this, I believe that we will see a really quick move here to the upside continuation for the Bitcoin price. But we cannot make out a clear pattern just yet when I go here even to the 1 hourly chart and I take the EMA ribbon off here, there is no clear pattern visible for the time being here. It's just going higher and higher. So, but there is potentially, let's see, potentially, yeah, you could say here is potentially again a rising channel that Bitcoin is respecting for the time being, something more like this. So yeah, if Bitcoin breaks here above, that is also my entry target for my trade, which is fine. So if it rolls over, it will give me an entry point then back here in that support area of 21,500 and 21,900 approximately. So in either case, I will have a long entry, no matter what the price is doing, either if we go higher or if we go lower. Of course, if we go lower, it would be much nicer then, because we most likely get from here a bounce and see then a continuation to the upside. So I want to go back here quick to the weekly chart, because we have not seen a move like this here for quite a while. We were waiting for such a long time. So, and if Bitcoin can establish to break above $23,460 this week and close above that level, guys, the bottom is in. Open your long-term long positions. We are going to the moon, but only in that case. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Maybe just a quick mention here. You should go over to my Twitter today. Here, my Twitter is AMCryptoAlex. If you're not following me already, start following me, please. Also on Twitter, I share there also here a lot of crypto-related content. And today I will announce a giveaway. So definitely watch out for this. There will be a really nice giveaway, guys. Yeah, definitely look out for that. Other than that, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.